Hey guys, KJ Enma here. This video will be a short one on recent anime news and stuff happened throughout the week. So, without any further ado, let's get going. The second half of No Gun Life will be airing in July after considerable delay due to pandemic. Kuzuno Honkai or Scum Switch is now available on Netflix India. The description states, two teens in perfect relationship keep a dark secret. They have agreed to use each other because they cannot be with the ones they truly want. That's honestly a pretty accurate description. I highly recommend the show. Watch it if you haven't already. And Netflix India, you took so long to bring on your platform. Amazon Prime has it already. This one is older news, but it's something worth mentioning. Attack on Titan just had a promotional video released for season 4. The final season is going to be made by Mappa Studio, unlike previous ones which was handled by Wit Studio. Not much hate has been seen about this, unlike what happened during the studio change of One Punch Man season 2. And mostly everyone is excited for the final season, so that's good news. So I hope this season turned out to be good and nothing bad happens. Aesop sequel of another novel titled Another 2001 is slated to be released in September due to delay. The main story of Gakuto Mikumo Strike the Blood novel series will end in the 22nd compiled book volume on 7th August. The anime's 4th season was delayed after releasing the 2 OVAs. This season could be covering 4 light novels. Cell at Work manga will be ending in July. Cowboy Bebop will be having a live action Netflix adaptation. Another news for Netflix India, season 2 of Baki the Grappler is now available. Moving on to our beloved Konosuba. Who doesn't love Konosuba? Konosuba will be releasing its RPG dungeon game on PS4 and Nintendo Switch in August. This one is really hype and something to look forward to. And finally, a new welcome back art and a short 20-second promotional clip was released for season 3 of Oregairu, which would be the last season. The release date is scheduled as July 9th. After the cliffhanger ending, fans are expecting to see where the season 3 is heading. Also, the season 3 would be releasing on Amazon Prime, which is really very awesome. That's it for news this week. I'm planning to make such videos maybe every week on Sunday, only if this video gets a super good response. Put some other news that has not been mentioned and feel free to discuss these news in the comment section below. Stay safe as always, like, share, subscribe, and may your waifu and husbando come true.